Welcome to the era of easily sending large files. Today we're going to dive into FileMail, a tool designed to make your life easier. Discover how to send large files without complications. With FileMail, you enjoy a secure and efficient platform, ideal for personal and business needs. Stay with us and see how FileMail can be your ally when it comes to sending large files. Now that you know FileMail, let's create your account. The process is simple. Go to the website. The free plan is great for testing and occasional sending, while the paid plans offer more features and capacity. In minutes, you'll be ready to send your first large files. Let's send your first large file. First, select Send Files and choose the file you want. Next, enter the recipient's email address and an optional message. Finally, choose between the sending options, such as the validity of the link and download notifications. Once everything is set up, click on Send. Just like that, you've just sent your first large file with FileMail, taking advantage of the platform's ease and efficiency. We'll also cover essential security practices, such as using passwords on large files and the importance of confirming the recipient's identity. These simple measures can significantly increase the security of your data during sending. Discover effective solutions to upload errors and ways to speed up slow downloads, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. In addition, we'll explore FileMail's unique features for businesses, including integration with existing systems and customization options to optimize workflow and business communication. Join us to make your use of FileMail even more productive. In this final chapter, we dive into the advanced features of FileMail for businesses, highlighting how integration with existing systems and customization options take file management to a new level. In addition, we compare FileMail with other solutions for sending large files, analyzing pros and cons to help your company make the right choice. Find out how FileMail stands out in the market and why it could be the best option for your business needs. Check the link in the description below